Frogs have ears. Frogs drink through their skin. Frogs are cold-blooded. They hibernate in winter. There isn't actually a biological difference between frogs and toads. There are around 7,300 species of frog. Over a third of frog species are considered endangered. Octopuses are ocean creatures that are most famous for having 8 arms and bulbous heads. Some other fun facts: they have 3 hearts and blue blood. They squirt ink to deter predators, and being boneless, they can squeeze into or out of tight spaces. Sharks do not have bones. Most sharks have good eyesight. Sharks have special electroreceptor organs. Shark skin feels similar to sandpaper. Sharks can go into a trance. Sharks have been around a very long time. Seals can dive to great depths underwater and stay there for up to 2 hours. Seals use clicking or trilling noises to communicate. Seals eat fish, birds, and shellfish. Male seals are called bulls, females are called cows, and babies are called pups. Tortoises have very small brains. Tortoises lay eggs, and females will bury their eggs to keep them safe from predators. A tortoise called Jonathan is currently the longest living land animal in the world, at 190 years old. Tortoises have existed for over 55 million years. Penguins don't have teeth. Penguins are only found in the southern hemisphere. There are 18 species of penguins. Penguins originated in Australia. The smallest penguin is only a foot tall. Penguins are monogamous. The largest living penguin is the emperor penguin. Ducks have better vision than you do. They can also move each eye independently and sleep with one eye open to watch for predators. In a group, ducks will trade off keeping an eye open to help protect the rest of the group from danger while they sleep. Like all crabs, the hermit crab is a decapod. It has 5 pairs of legs, including a pair of claws. The hermit crab uses its claws for defense and food shredding, as well as eating. The second and third pairs of legs help the crab walk, and the last 2 pairs hold the hermit crab in its shell. Hens teach sounds to their chicks while they are still in the egg. Chickens have a profound memory and are able to distinguish between more than 100 faces of their species. They can also recognize people. A pufferfish is a fish that is usually poisonous, normally lives in warm ocean waters, and can blow up into a ball several times its regular size, and it is deadly to humans and some animals if eaten. They take in oxygen through special organs called gills, so they can breathe. Fish are social and cooperative. Fish feel pleasure, not just pain. Fish have great memories. Fish are smart and can learn. Fish are flexible. Fish are excellent communicators. Fish can migrate extremely far distances. An alligator is a large reptile with short legs, a long tail, tough skin, sharp teeth, and a wide snout. Reptiles are cold-blooded animals that lay eggs and are covered in scales or hard plates. Alligators are no reptile runts. Sea lions swim using their long, powerful foreflippers and hind flippers. Sea lions are strong swimmers who can reach speeds of nearly 20 miles per hour. Crabs can walk in all directions, but mostly walk and run sideways. Crabs are decapods, meaning they have 10 legs. Female crabs can release 1,000 to 2,000 eggs at once. A sperm whale is the biggest toothed predator in the world. It has a very big head that holds a big brain and an oily substance called spermaceti, which is what the whale is named after. Ladybugs are also known as lady beetles or ladybird beetles. They are considered beneficial as they eat other plant-eating insects. Ladybugs are colorful, so they can warn predators not to eat them. They are beetles, not bugs. Lobsters hide among rocks on the ocean floor during the day. At night, they crawl around looking for fish, crabs, and clams. Lobsters also eat plants and dead animals. When a lobster needs to move quickly, it flicks its tail to jet itself backwards. Dolphins are carnivores. Dolphins only sleep with half of their brain. Dolphins live a long time. Some whales are actually dolphins. A dolphin can swim more than 20 mph. They have a tube-shaped body and a small rod-like internal shell called a pen. Squid have 2 tentacles that are longer than its arms. They are usually hidden from view, but shoot out to capture prey. Squid can change colour and swim backwards by pushing water out from their bag. The manta ray is a cartilaginous fish. This means it is a fish that only has cartilage and no bones, like sharks. They use their gills to breathe underwater and must keep moving at all times for the water to flow over their gills. There are around 2,000 species of sea star. Not all starfish have 5 arms. They cannot survive in fresh water. They can regenerate. Clownfish eggs can be hatched any time during the year. After the clownfish eggs are laid, the male clownfish guard them until they hatch. Clownfish are all born males. Though there are theories, it is not yet known how clownfish survive the anemone's poison. Stingrays are carnivores. They move by flapping their wings. Stingrays are closely related to sharks. Stingray babies are born fully developed. Females are larger than males. There are over 500 species of shark. Sharks are apex predators. They can vary dramatically in size. Sharks live in most ocean habitats. Whales are divided into 2 main groups. Humpback whales don't eat for most of the year. All-toothed whales have a melon in their foreheads. Some whales bubble net feed. There used to be thousands of blue whales. There are over 30,000 species of fish. Fish breathe through their gills. Most fish don't have eyelids. Fish are cold-blooded. There are 9 species of hammerhead shark in the world. The distinctive hammerhead part of the shark is called a cephalofoil. Hammerheads can use their heads to aid in hunting. Whales are warm-blooded like other mammals. A fatty tissue called blubber keeps them warm. Echolocation enables them to locate and discriminate objects. Orcas live in small, close-knit groups called pods. All types of ducks have waterproof feathers. A unique system of blood vessels keeps their feet warm in icy weather. Not all ducks make a quacking sound.